YouTube, we're back. The mental is cleared, mind is set now, and now we have a lot of recapping to do. 81 days has passed. I don't even know if we could get through everything today, but we're just gonna start off like kind of relatively where we had our two bands at, and then basically we're back at 500. So I think it's around here. Whatever, we'll deal with this right now. Let's start it off right. These are good spots to even start off here. All right, so let's just start right here. Okay, so 8 o'clock is 7 o'clock, right? It goes 1 hour behind. Okay, so here we have 9 o'clock, which is 8. We have, God, I can't even talk, my bad. Overextension to the downside, right, for the nighttime. And we know that it's a buy, most likely, right? We placed a buy here. However, whenever it's something like this, SMT is needed. Didn't get the SMT, got stopped out, didn't ride it back up. Simple. What we learned right there, we need SMT or break a candle. Either one, we could end your on. Simple. No trade here. Clearly bad price action. Good on me for no trading. Bro, it's been a lot. January, February. Where are we in? We're in March, dude. Not gonna lie, I'm not even gonna recap all this, bro. Just know that it could have been way better. Could have been way better. Like areas like this right here, we know that it's gonna come down, but it can't come down right away. It has to be SMT. If it does come down right away, it's making structure somewhere right here, right, and then coming back up. But obviously up first, tap that no wick area, and it came down. So we're not even in a bad position at all. We're not in a bad position at all. We haven't been losing much at all. And when I say much, I mean like when our L's are way smaller than our dubs, as it should be, right? But yeah, so we got a buy here, small buy here, won that one. Got around somewhere here because I trade at my workplace, and I just take the profit on my phone, right? So you can't really see the arrow, but it was like somewhere around here. Next day, 9 o'clock, which is 8. We had the big candle come through. This was nice structure right here. Damn, my bad. This is what I mean right here. This is the difference between this and this one, right? So there's not really much structure. Everything's going up. It needs some type of boom, like some type of SMT, right? SMT, I wouldn't even say it's SMT, but you can count it as SMT because when you see structure like this, it's not really necessary for it to be SMT. I literally was too scared and just got out here, which was dumb, but you know, it happens. You know, we just need to be more proactive and understand, like, yo, the bigger picture. The bigger picture was clearly up here at least, and the real big picture is up here, but we don't trade all that. We just go 1 hour, stop loss. So we would have stopped out here most likely. Anyways, then we had a rough time over here, not sure why. So 8 o'clock here, we bought small L. There's literally no reason to buy here. This is just retarded. Then we have another one I sold here. No, I bought here. This was a good buy. Good buy right here. Then sold up here. That was a good buy. Valid. And then another buy. Okay, so this wasn't even bad. This was pretty good because we had a demand zone right here. Thought it could go up a little bit more. I'm not mad at that. Not mad at that at all. That was a good day. So we won on that day. Bought here. Stop loss here. I'm not sure if we won. We must have won on this one because we bought and probably got some take profit out here. This is sketchy. I would have not bought this. Like, this is just risky. This is another thing that I noticed. My losses are from big sized risk. And when I mean that, I mean like the candles that I need to have is just too big, bro. They're too big. Right, so here we have another one. It's clean right here. SMT, waiting for the SMT. Break a candle entry, right? And then we're out. Like, that's clean right there. That's how we trade. That's it right there. Yeah, this market was pretty good back in January, but it was pretty good for a while, but I was messing up a little bit, just like right here. So I did sell here. We did get that. We did that initial push down, right? However, you have to be proactive in this, right? My brother. It's a uptrend on BS, right? This is all BS, right? We look for the nearest support area, and that's where we should have been out at minimum, and then we should have been in right here again, right? Like these conditions are bad, right? But still, there's still opportunities right here. We got 8 o'clock here, sold here. This was a decent sell. Only reason I took it is because this acted as a SMT. Still very sketchy. Got real close to stopping out, and probably got somewhere around here profit. Right, so they're not major wins, but literally one win wipes out all the losses. It's just how it works. So it's literally about patience. And then I miss the big days. This is our problem right now. We know the big day is coming. As soon as structure is made, it doesn't happen off rip. So here I would expect back in the day for this to drop all the way down here or something like that, right? Because this is BS movement. This is overextension to the max, right? But it needs to make some type of structure for one day, and then it's gonna set that beautiful lineup, right? 8 o'clock here, boom, the sell's dropping. There's no way this is buying, and if it is buying, we wait again. Simple. Okay, so big drop, we missed out on that, but we understood why. Came back up. We got over here. Now over here was very bad movement, and I really wanted to trade because I missed this. This is the only thing that messed us up, right? 8 o'clock, 7, so we don't look at that. 9 o'clock, which is 8, right? We took a sell on the break of the candle. This is okay, but it's not. We gotta understand that this is immediately a small scalp. Now we know that this demand zone is here, right? And this is a point of resistance. So I was looking at it, it was bouncing around. I should have been taking profit, right? Because it can't just drop off rip like that. So didn't take profit and ended up getting stopped out, right? Up here. Then I sold again, right? Up here. And I think I just got scared and took it at break even. Then we should have been waiting. Most likely we shouldn't even been trading this, right? But if we were to, it would need to be, my bad, it would need to be wait until this candle here, break a candle, and then stop loss above here, but that's way too risky, right? So we shouldn't even have been traded that. Just a terrible day. Maybe a small demand zone up here to up here or something, or the sell right there. That should have been it. Okay, so then we have here 9 o'clock, 10. I mean, yeah, no, 8 is 7. My bad. 8 is 7. So 7, 8, and then 9. Right now, we would want an SMT. This is why we say SMT or break a candle, right? The break a candle is the only thing that would have worked here. Waiting for SMT, we would have missed the move, and I missed the move because I waited for SMT. We missed on that, but this was decently clean. Like, yeah, it needs to kind of retrace, but it's all right. So yeah, you see, this was overextension, like total garbage. When a rule is broken, it's gonna come back, right? We have to wait and set up for that next move, right? But my bro, I don't understand how dumb I could be. Like, I literally was like, yo, this is overextended. It's overextended. I know it's gonna come back down. Why am I trying to buy? Yeah, it's a demand zone, but brother, what are you doing? I knew it too, so I right now I didn't. It's just like a small order, and then I did it again, and then I cut it early because I knew. Literally no point. There's no point. It should have been boom, sell right here. We wait. We even had another opportunity to sell again. Stop loss here, matched up. We could have had exponential profit, and yeah, exit out should have been right here. Like, bro, what are we doing? Anyways, so here we go again. We got 9, 8, 7, so 9, 8. This is tricky, right? Like, consolidation, we know it's a downtrend. Like, it's just sketchy though. Like, but this is another thing that I noticed. I would like usually try and take buys back in the day. When we have areas like this, we know this is just liquidity right here. This needs to be taken out, especially if we're on a downtrend. Like, so you see this, break a candle, that should have been it. Boom, boom, nothing else, because we know, I wouldn't even say that, but I think it should just be straight to here, and that's it. That should be the whole move for the day, because holding this is kind of risky, not gonna lie, because it could just do some random BS. But decided to hold it, did go through, but I think at minimum it should have been boom, boom, that's it, right? Okay, next trades, got 8 o'clock, we had 9. I don't even know what this is. Like, what are you doing? I think we sold, we got a little bit of profit, came back, stopped us out of stop loss, break even. Didn't have my stop loss all the way up here, so I sold again, and then I stopped out here. That's something that I would expect, of course. So anyways, bad day right there. Now what are we like looking at though? Like, what are we looking at? We see this at 8 o'clock. We know it's not overextended, but this is underextended, right? Overextended to the downside, and we know that it needs to do some BS. The only move should be right here, and if it doesn't hit, then we shouldn't even be trading that. It's just what it is, right? So doesn't happen. We wait. We got, let's see if we could just get one that we could do without. All right, so 8 o'clock right here. Like, what are we thinking? So overextension to the down, not overextension, but it went down yesterday. Overextension upwards. We should be looking at sells. So maybe some type of BS movement, SMT to the top, and possible break a candle right here. Right? Okay, so BS movement, right? We sold off rip. I don't know why we sold off rip. We didn't even wait till break a candle. So BS movement happened, boom. You could even tap that, so that's good. But yeah, we sold off rip, stopped trading there, and it ended up being an upwards day. All right, so now we know that this is on BS movement, so it's overextension. We should be preparing for sells. Not really yet, but obviously keep it in the back of our head, right? So more BS movement. Like, what do you do here? Like, you can't do anything yet. This is not enough. It's not enough. Right, so it's gonna do some BS, more BS. We bought for some reason. I have no idea why. Actually, I do know why, because I thought when we have BS movement, I would expect super, like, not just dumb, stupid moves, just continuously going up. But this was really not one of those. So. And guess we bought twice. I'm not sure what happened, and then sold here. So it's gonna continue going up. This is when we should have waited. So when we see it like this, bro, when we see it just weird like this, just wait for the move, wait for it to show us where, and then go for it, right? Or not even trade these areas. right? And if anything, it would have been, I don't know if this already tapped here, but if this didn't tap, that's the move right there. I didn't even see that. Alright, so didn't trade this day. Good on me. This is terrible action. Like, you see this? Like, what are you doing? Terrible action. More bad action. 8, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, there's nothing to trade here. It's just bad. And it was right here. Oh my gosh. Moral of the story, brother, when BS movement is happening, we go and prepare. We see BS movement all the way up here, right? This is garbage. Then we see this consolidation. What does that mean, bro? It means sell. We did sell, right? But it needed something to happen first, then for the big drop to happen. Bro, I'm gonna get this. Trust. Small adjustments. I've been saying this forever, but whatever. My life is now centered around this even more. Work, gym, trade. Like, I have no choice now, brother. There is no choice. It has to happen. So now we understood that. Sold off. Still has a little bit more to go, right? 8 o'clock. This is nothing to trade here. This is garbage. It's more garbage. Like, we're not touching this thing. No point in touching that. If you waited the whole time, could have got a small sell, but it's not even worth it. Now we know it's still in the down. Not necessarily a downtrend because it came up, but we'll see. Okay, this is just bad. It's terrible. Holy. So 8 o'clock. There's nothing there. Oh, that was a sell right there. We're not even peeping that, bro. Like, we have to be proactive with this. I remember this day. I didn't trade. I saw this last minute. Didn't get in it. It's a small sell. Not really small though, but actually a huge sell. A small little move that we should be taking right there. Not gonna lie. We know it's a downtrend. We see stuff like this, we look to the left. Yeah. Oh, my brain is fried, man. Oh. Alright. So, 8 o'clock again. Not much good movement here. Actually, this is possibly a sell right here. And to the left, nothing happened. S&T. Possibly a sell right there. And oh, I bought. Okay, see, this is when I start losing it in these videos because I'm taking too long. But most of your brain power is supposed to happen in the beginning and for the couple first trades, for one trade actually. So we're kind of speed running through this. As you can see, we have consolidation. Didn't drop down below a lot, came back up, ended up above, and this is the right move to take. Like a sell here. Yeah, we did expect the sell here, right? But then we also have to expect the exit and the re-entry for the buy. And this was beautiful, right? I'm pretty sure we got out, I think right here, because it was either here or here. But yeah, that was a good, that's top. That was textbook, bro. And I am losing it right now. So February 18th is where we're gonna stop. We're gonna go to current day, and we just have dookie cheeks everywhere. Not gonna lie, dookie cheeks everywhere, brother. Like what is this? Like, there's no point in trading that. Like, small sell, but that's huge to even like attempt. It's because we had this giant drop. Where was it? Was it here? Oh yeah, the overextended drop. This was like very bad. It's on Sunday night as soon as it opened. So right now there's like no moves, but patience, brother, patience. If I had something for today, so 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, I mean, this is basically nothing, bro. Possibly SMT will be looking for it, but this kind of needs to get taken out. Or not really, this really doesn't even need to get taken out. The structure built right here, demand zone. You know, I'll be looking for some type of SMT and then extension to the upside, but that's about it, bro. We're gonna call it there. We're just gonna keep working towards it, and we're gonna keep grinding. So your boy AJ signing out.